Hi, my name's Deb Hunt and I work for Pentyrch Community Council. I'm the Community Engagement Officer, and this is our office on Pennyworth Road. And we have lots of visitors here in our office. They come to visit our library and our museum, and we try to help local organisations as much as we can. And most recently that we've Elena, a lady that's come to stay here from Ukraine, asked us if she could use the upstairs office to start up a little art group, and she's been thrilled with the response. We've had quite a few residents who have come on a Friday morning and have thoroughly enjoyed the art session with Elena. She's very pleased that we are able to help her at this moment.
Hello, my name is Olena Varanenka and I'm a professional artist from Ukraine. Now I live in Pentyrch and it's our art group, and now these ladies are working on project for this local museum. Welcome to our group.
Hi, I'm Jen. I've been coming to the class since January. My husband and my two adult daughters could always draw and paint, and I was always jealous. I could never do it. So I came to Elena's class as soon as I heard that she started a class, and I'm amazed at how my drawings and my paintings have come on under her guidance. She's absolutely brilliant.
Hi, I'm Kate. I started coming to Elena's classes probably about 6 months ago, looking for a different challenge. So I used to do some watercolour painting to relax. I've got quite a busy job, so I was looking for something where I could have a bit of something to get my head into and relax to. So I've done a watercolour for the museum, a landscape for the museum, and painted some animals, and I like painting natural things.
My name's Kirsty, and I became an artist because I really like to recreate things that take my eye, and usually that is wild animals, in particular big cats. I have been using pastels for the last 2 years, and decided to try out oil painting with Elena's class. And this is currently my leopard that I've been working on for the past 3 weeks, and this is my first big cat painting in oils.